Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to redeem a trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. So to do that, you have to log into your Binance app, or probably you can also log in through the website. Just type in binance.com, then sign into your account, then go to reward center, then tap your profile icon at the top left corner, and on the website hover over your profile icon and select reward center from the drop down menu. Then in the reward center you will see a list of available vouchers, including trading fee rebate vouchers. Then if you have a rebate voucher, it will show under the available rewards tab. Then click on the trading fee rebate voucher to see the details, then tap redeem to activate it, then review the terms and conditions before confirming the redemption. Then after that, once redeemed, the voucher will automatically apply to your future trading fee. Then you can check the effective period and remaining balance of the rebate voucher in the reward center. Now, when you make trade, your fee discount from the voucher will automatically apply. Then you can reveal the fee reduction in your transaction entry or that order, and that's a simple guide on how to redeem a trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thank you.